Hello guys. Today we're playing some natural
Disaster
survive
survival.
natural disaster survival.
And that will
An apple a day saves the day.
red apples last forever. Nom nom nom.
Only 80 Robux.
Need a lift? Pick up a
But this was
glue.
back when you could get Robux for free with ticks. You want ticks to come back, Banana? Everyone wants ticks. Technically, most people want ticks to come back. It's free money. All I gotta say is the balloon is freaking OP. And also this game has 1,000,000,005 visits. 1,500,000,000 visits.
1.5 billion visits.
Yes. And look at
1
this. This is the top
billion,
survivors. One of the top survivors has 27 survives. Did they make it harder? And now if Banana.
That's probably just in the server. It might be just in the server.
Oh, there's a yellow balloon store. Yellow compass, okay? Oh, look. If you look at this, it was updated 4/30/2021. So it was updated pretty recently. I do know a secret about this map. Yeah, over here, Banana. If you go over here to the camera here. Yeah, look.
And it puts you in a jail cell.
And you're supposed to put a prison outfit on you, Banana.
Yes, but you have like packages on, so you don't get.
Banana, come on, wait. Oh, this game actually supports R15 at least. Guys, let me out. Oh, thank you. I can't. Oh yeah, Banana. Now you are in prison clothes and you're stuck in there for a while.
No. This is actually a pretty safe spot.
I'm low.
I'm high. But not max. Like this person next to me.
My guy is super low. How long till this place is done?
I don't know why you go in prison just being in front of the camera.
Because that would be the mugshot. You had to take your mugshot. Banana, I think everything on top of me is starting to turn to snow.
So what if you didn't do anything? This toilet is a bit broken. What's the bar not falling out?
I don't know if it's strong. I don't know why, but look. Look, I should be here. Banana. Oh yeah, I think it is in the server. Launch lane. Oh yeah, this one actually can launch. Banana, I'll get inside, you launch it, okay?
But I wanna be inside too.
Fine, I'll let other people launch it.
Yes, you want random people to launch.
You can, but I think this is like a way to die in this game. Get in. Okay, let me sit down. So many people want to be inside of here. Oh god. Someone lighted it! Oh, no. Banana!
Oh!
Banana, they paused that. They didn't move that back. Oh.
Yum!
Banana. Thunderstorm. Banana!
Are we doing yummy again?
Banana, they're dead, I think. So I wanna jump off. Banana, what should we do?
Do random stuff.
Banana, there's also this machine right here.
Oh, the weather machine, but it costs Robux.
Yeah, I know. We also got an apple a day saves a day.
And we don't have that much Robux. I have like 430.
Yeah, also look, we got green balloon and a yellow.
You have 350.
What does a yellow compass even do?
I don't know.
Buying this game pass will give you a yellow compass. Every time you spawn, the compass will let you pick the map, guide you to the places that you want to explore. Have fun out there. This thing is basically just get a free pick a map for only 80. Pick all the maps you want for 80 Robux. So you could always pick a launch pad technically, right, Banana?
Or you can always pick your favorite map.
Too bad you can't choose. Don't have one that chooses the weather. Everyone loves this game. How many people are playing it? Okay, 12,000 players right now. That dude who's saying Blocks.green is a fake site. Yeah, because there's no one even in here named Wood. Yeah, that isn't even someone named Wood Walls. Is that someone trying to scam people with Robux in a different language, or is that person really too not smart to notice that is a fake thing? Wait a second.
That person's either scamming people
in a different language. This person's still an inmate. We might want to go. We might get in trouble for having him in here.
I'm going to be at the balcony thing just in case it's an earthquake.
An earthquake?
Yeah.
That's earthquake. Get outside and stay away from tall structures. Let me out. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Banana. Banana! Someone's sitting on a seat! Banana! Look! Why is that person still sitting there?
Why am I going in a bunch of circles?
Banana, you might get knocked off a cliff. Be careful.
Yes, I know, but I won't because there's only like 10 seconds. I don't know how long there is. Because there's not a timer.
I want to go in the water, Banana.
Well, you shouldn't.
The pieces hurt me, ow!
Why does water hurt you?
It wasn't the water, it was the pieces in the water. They're spiky. Can people stop scamming? Stop! Trying to scam. Stop trying to scam.
Yeah.
No scam allowed.
Yes, that's 1,000,000% true. True. 25, 271, 123.
Banana, people have grown.
I think I've been on the
Height school.
I think I've been on the server leaderboard before.
Heights school. I don't know one thing. The older games were, which one updated in a while, like killed the games killed by Roblox. What the?
Sandy.
What's happening? Why?
I'm inside and I'm still dying.
Help! Miss. Dodge flying objects! What a school.
I don't see any flying objects.
It's tearing the school apart!
Where are the flying objects?
Let me in the school. Hey, get me out of.
Why is the sand making it super duper blurry? It's annoying.
Banana, I'm trying to get out, but there's so much. There's chunks missing, Banana. Let me out, Banana. Banana, there's hope. The flooring is collapsing. Banana, we must head on with these people. Banana, we have to get into this one classroom.
No. What?
Banana, there's another classroom right next to us. I'm getting to move there. Oh god, no, Banana, I'm not going there.
No.
That place is getting torn apart. There's no way I'm going there.
No one wants a stone.
Banana, what is wrong with wood walls?
I don't know.
Banana, the classroom right next to me is gone. Banana, I'm alive. Banana, that hurt. My guy is in pain. The school was collapsing in my. That's just.
Saying he can buy a game pass for literally free.
And that is not true. Safety second. Oh god. Oh come on. Not even safety first. Oh! Run him over, Banana! Oh! Banana, I can actually kill people with this.
Well, don't try to kill me.
Oh, Banana. Banana, we're having a nice fight.
You
oh.
can do
Banana!
all damage.
Ow!
I'm definitely not going to take you.
Banana, let me in here. I'm inside here. Banana, I'm safe. Banana, this person's trying to step on me. Tornado, stay clear of its path. Banana, let me out! Ah!
Safety first.
No, safety second. They don't care about safety.
Look,
Banana, this dude's gonna run people over now.
they're going to do safety in a second.
It was funny at first, but not now. Banana, this dude is trying to ride into the Banana, it is not our ball.
No.
Banana, everything's.
Why did I die from that?
Oh, Banana. I'm dodging all
I'm
the.
still in the. It was still random.
Banana, I'm still alive.
Wait, the people that had a lot of wins left.
Are you on the board now, Banana?
No.
There's still a lot of people and there's like 30 people within one server, Banana. Banana. Banana, look at what's happening. Help!
What's the max people? The max is 30!
Banana, I'm safe.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Banana.
15, 16.
I just took a school. Banana, is that sad?
21, 22, 23, 24. There's 25 people in the server.
26, I think, because you said 25 and you went down to the trailer part. Oh, I'm gonna go to the water tower.
The water tower.
After I kick out everything.
The But what if it's an earthquake?
Well, that's why I'm checking out all this stuff first. But once I see it's a flood, I'm going straight up the water. Going up there. What is this person like sitting? Banana, so many people just like sitting down in this game.
Yes, I don't know
Banana,
why.
I'm going to check a couple more homes out. Banana, oh god, Banana. There's like 50 people in this one home.
There can't be 50 people.
Tsunami, get to high ground. Oh no, 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 no. Get me out of here. The tsunami's coming.
The tsunami.
What I say, we need to get to high ground. Banana. Banana, yeah. Sacrifice your life on this. I can buy. Why is people like using it? Why is this the same scam? Keep on being said.
No scam.
No, the person who's saying that isn't even in the game. Banana, 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 banana.
How?
Banana, it collapsed. The water knocked it over.
At least you survived. Wait.
Banana.
Stop, bots. Don't scam.
Oh my god, come on. Yes, stop, Banana. Yeah, right, Banana. Wait, Banana. I think you might be stuck on there.
Nonsense. You're never stuck on an island.
Well, Banana, that sometimes happens to people. Nope, okay. Banana, there's a rare chance that actually happens where you get stuck on the island.
Can you teleport back to the other island?
Cannot teleport back here, but it will start the game, so. Either way, so technically you got yourself just an extra time.
99.
Prison panic! Prison we go, Banana. Gotta get the same cell.
Yes, we know how to get the same.
Banana, follow me. We have to enter the prison. Banana, we turn right today. We enter here and turn right.
Yes.
Banana, wait, stop, Banana. Banana! Clicks.
Clucky.
Banana, so many people love coming here. How many cells are there?
Well, one of the cells has a broken toilet,
Banana!
which is bad.
Banana! People trying to slam the skulls into my one! Banana, what if this is an earthquake?
Then it's terrible. We have to get out.
Banana, let me out. Disaster. Acid rain. Stay indoors. Let me out! Quick! It's melting through the roof!
Oh, let me out. That's just orange thing.
Banana? No. Banana, it's worse for me. I got no safety. My door isn't even open yet.
Of course you have no.
Banana. You can escape, Banana. I can't.
Yes.
Did it melt the way out?
I'm low.
Banana, whole plate. Banana, get down to over here. Get into a smaller cell. Down here.
Ah.
Banana!
Yeah, I'm wondering what the map looks like. Look at it. It's amazing.
Banana, the whole floor just collapsed in my face. Oh wow. Oh well, I'll just go and get my food and eat. Grabs food. Starts eating. Yeah, it wasn't like I had to basically.
Doesn't remember about the acid rain.
It just forgets that acid rain even happened and eats food. Banana, that's funny. My guy just doesn't even remember he was even had his.
I think there's a natural disaster.
Banana, if you're sitting on a seat, you get stuck here. Banana, I'm free to go, Banana.
Yes, you're stuck.
Boom.
Happy home.
Yeah, happy home. Yeah, I took a photo. I took a picture of me. Yeah, at happy home. Banana was still prisoner. I'm still a prisoner.
I'm just going to sit. Maybe that's why so many people like sitting.
Because you could get stuck at the island. Banana, I wish we could get up there, but you have to have balloon to get up there, so...
I wish you can, like,
Oh, but the
sit.
seesaw is fun. Banana, banana. What the? Banana, we're flying! We're gonna escape anything! Flash flood. Seek high ground stability. We obviously got stability here. We're leaving to the stratosphere. Banana, you're gonna die. Well, I'm just gonna live by me just doing this jumping. Banana! Ah! Banana! That was a stupid move on that dude's part. You should have kept on jumping. Banana, you might die. Banana!
Was it, like, impossible?
Banana! The roof is safe. Banana, no! Goodbye, Banana.
Just because of that stupid thing. Geckos.
Banana,
No.
something in the back. Also, Banana, guess what? Sad.
What?
But me and this dude were just jumping into the sky. And if random time, this dude just like stops.
Can you stop scamming, please?
Yes.
Please.
Let's play one more round, and then that'll be it for the video.
Yes.
Banana.
How much you know
Sunny Ranch.
It does.
I want a tractor.
I call the tractor. I like tractors.
Oh, Banana! Hey, Banana! Hey, get away! My tractor! You broke it! Move!
If it's a flood, I don't know what to do.
I know where to go. I'm going to wait by where the flood will... Fine, you can have that, okay? You piece of poo.
Who's a piece of poo?
Oh, how did you die? Banana, I'm climbing up.
The web.
Oh, blizzard, blizzard, blizzard.
Seek warmth and find shelter.
A bunch of people are just jumping off the cliff.
Oh, this is warm and cozy.
Banana is also turning to sand.
Why does it turn into sand?
I don't know.
No, it's white sand. It's
Oh,
white.
wait, isn't sand quartz?
What?
Sand is quartz.
Sandy snow.
You wanna know what sand is made out of, Banana?
What?
Quartz. So in Minecraft, technically you could just go say, hey, I got like 50 blocks of quartz. I pull out sand. Where's the quartz? This is the quartz. Like you could say, I have 50 diamonds. Oh, give me! Where's the diamonds? These are premature diamonds, I said, Cole. Ow!
Yes, I'm going to give people 50 diamonds.
Which is actually coal. Banana!
I'm going to give people 50 coal and say it's a diamond. 50 diamonds.
Technically it is diamonds. It's premature. Banana, help. I'm stuck in here. Help, Banana. I'm driving a car. Banana, would you buy my car?
I had this car for pretty long.
That will be it for the video, guys.
We hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye, but it's not going to be the end yet for my video, as I'm going to take a screenshot at the end of that
and
land.
like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you want
more. And see you guys next time. Bye.